Hello guys, I'm here with new video. Basically these questions are the expected questions for HP MAT or any MBA exam or CAT exam. Mainly focus on the bank taglines and their headquarters. So I start this video straight away. The first bank is Andhra Bank. Its headquarters in Hyderabad and the tagline is "We're India's Bank" and the head is J. Pakisami. Next is the Axis Bank. Its headquarters in Mumbai. Tagline is "भर्ती का नाम जिंदगी." Head is Amitabh Chaudhary. Bank of Baroda. As you know, Bank of Baroda, Vijaya Bank, Dena Bank, they all got merged together and their headquarters is in Baroda. Tagline is India's International Bank, head by Sanjeev Chadha. Then the fourth bank is Bank of India, headquartered in Mumbai. Its tagline is "Relationship Beyond Banking" and head is Antanu Kumar Das. The next bank is Bank of Maharashtra, headquartered in Pune. Tagline is "Ek Paribar Ek Bank", head by A.S. Rajiv. Then the next bank is Bandhan Bank, headquartered is Kolkata and the tagline is "Aapka Bhala Sabki Bhalai", headed by Chandrasekhar Ghosh. Then the next bank is Canara Bank, which also got merged with Syndicate Bank last year. Headquarters is in Bangalore. Tagline is "Together We Can", head by L.V. Prabhakar. Then the next bank is Central Bank of India, the most renowned bank. Headquarters is in Mumbai. As you see, maximum of the banks have headquarters in Mumbai, even because it's an economic capital of India. Tagline is "Central to you since 1911. Build a better life around us." Heads by Pallav Mohapatra. Then the next bank is Corporation Bank. Its headquarters in Mangalore. Mangalore is in Karnataka. Tagline is "Prosperity for all", head by P.B. Bharti. Then the next bank is City Union Bank, headquartered in Tamil Nadu, for which the tagline is "Trust and Excellence since 1904", headed by Dr. N. Kamakodi. Then further, Dhanlakshmi Bank, headquartered in Kerala. Tagline is "Tan Man Dhan", headed by Sunil Gorbaksani. Then the next bank is the Federal Bank, headquartered is in Kerala. Tagline is "Your perfect banking partner", head by Shyam Srinivasan. Then the 13th bank is HDFC Bank, a private sector bank. Headquarters is in Mumbai. Tagline is "We understand your world", headed by Aditya Puri. 14th bank is IDBI Bank, headquartered in Mumbai. Tagline is "Banking for all, aao sochein bada", headed by Rakesh Sharma. Then the 15th bank is Indian Bank, which also got merged with Allahabad Bank last year. Headquarters is in Chennai. Tagline "Your own bank, banking that twice as good", headed by Padmaja Chundru. Then the 16th bank is Indian Overseas Bank, headquarters in Chennai. Tagline "Good people to grow with", headed by Karnam Seko. So these are the first 16 banks in the part 1 of this video. Then the part 2 will be expected by this evening today. These questions generally asked directly in the HP MAT exam in last previous year papers, while carrying a marks of 5 to 8 marks straight away questions asked in the paper. So hope you find some good knowledge.